Hey there, Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Newsflash, no idiom today. Had no power yesterday for, I don't know, 10 hours or so. We had a 12-minute storm that went through, and I think maybe a tornado hit in the town that's adjacent to us and knocked out the power for, 5,000 people, including us, until like 9:30, 10 o'clock at night. So I gave myself the night off, and I did not research and do an idiom. So today, I have a question for you. What is your current favorite way to grow or supersize and build your business? And what would you like it to be? We are focusing on the goal setting process with respect to relationships this month in this year's annual challenge, the Get Your Goals annual challenge. And our topic today is our current versus our desired situation with respect to one, probably our most important relationship in our current life. Right now, what's our most important relationship? What is our current situation? What is our desired situation? And we're using the journalistic framework, who, what, where, when, why, and how, to identify those two things. And that got me to thinking, I've done a lot of different strategies and used a lot of different methods and ways of growing and building businesses. And I have my favorites, just like all of us do. Some methods, some frameworks, some processes, some strategies feel better for us than others do. And so I am just curious, what are you currently doing to grow and build your business? And what would you like to be doing? What are you maybe curious about? Because we can definitely talk about those things. That's it. Have an awesome day. Share in the comments below so that we can learn from one another. And I will be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it to grow and build and supersize your business right now?